Make a great choice today with 2011 TSX. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, daytime running lights, fog lights, power brakes, ambient lighting, braking assist. Inside you'll find cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, multifunction display, power door locks, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows, 2 cargo area light, compass. The Acura TSX uses quality materials and is built with excellence. It comes equipped with a spacious interior and an impressive list of standard features. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.